Hi friends, welcome to my asadreview channel, PrimeCloud AI. Wanna say goodbye to slow loading and complicated cloud storage platforms forever? Next generation Google Drive killer technology lets you store, backup, share and host unlimited files, images, videos and audios in the cloud at lightning speed for an unbeatable one-time price. Say goodbye to expensive cloud storage platforms like Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive Cloud, Boxec, once and for all. Here's why PrimeCloud AI is the first and only cloud storage platform you need. Brand new technology to host unlimited files, folders and documents at ultra-fast speed. Host and share multiple files with 100% security in just 3 clicks. Revolutionary compression algorithm makes upload and download super fast and storage a breeze. AI-enhanced file organization enhance the organization of your files and categorize your files, reducing the time required to look for the correct folder to place your files. Unlimited cloud storage at one-time fee. Upload and manage unlimited images, audios, and videos. Upload any file document folder with zero security hassles. Auto storage expansion as per usage. One-click third-party sharing enabled. Kick out expensive and money-sucking third-party cloud storage platforms forever. AI-enabled search enables you to find any files with ease, and you'll never lose your files again. 100% protection of data with ironclad data protection and advanced security. Upload multiple files at the same time and even in the background to carry out your work hassle-free. Easy-to-use software with step-by-step video training. Limited time commercial license included to provide high-in-demand services to hungry clients. Launch special deal, only get fast action bonuses worth $3,658. Ironclad 30 days money-back guarantee included. Store, share and backup all your business files with 100% security in 3 easy steps. Step number 1, login. To get started, grab your copy of PrimeCloud AI and be on the fast track to success. Step number 2, upload documents. Now all you need to do is upload all files, folders, documents with zero hassles. Step number 3, share, publish and profit. Now you're all said and done. Just sit back and relax to share all your business files with 100% security. A cost-effective manner. Friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video description. Thank you for watching my video.